Hello team South Sudan Pride channels, welcome to this video once again. Thank you always for coming to watch the video. Let me assure you that I always appreciate your time. I mean the time you spend to watch the video. I use to upload here. If you are new to the channels, kindly remember to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Share the video and like it. Let many others get it. For you friends, brothers and sisters who are parts of this YouTube channels, thank you very much for always watching the video. I do actually appreciate your precious time, the one you spent to watch this video. I'm driving to a marketplace. There are some things I would like to go and pay proper attention to it. There are things I would like to go and take a very good video of. You will get to know them as you continue watching this video. There are so many things I would like to bring along here, so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. You will learn so many things. This one here is blacksmith. This man here can do a lot of things, jirai and so many things. For some of you who are farmers, I think you know this one. This one there is a jirai. They use it for farming, peanuts, simsim, and so many things. So jirai here are going to do it. I'm going to by the way. Barbail, they used to do it here. They are very skillful because they are Aweil town yes. You will even see Skadit here. This is the gauge railway, all gauge railway in Aweil towns. It comes all the way from Khartoum up to Aweil. Then Aweil is the final. This rail gauge passes here in Aweil, and it also goes up to Aweil town. If you go to Aweil, you will also see the same rail gauge, all rail gauge actually. It was done late in 1940s or 30s. I'm not sure actually. Kena Sagadi de na Aweil kan like low zaman majapa take and lad bula Aweil. Menen lad Aweil. It is very very old. Plane has not passed here for a number of years. I think it did not pass here since 2006 or something. Since 2006, the plane did not pass here. You can see some houses made on the railway line here, man. Those were the people chased by floods at that time, so they came and put the houses here. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is here. Aweil town is a very very big town. There are so many things here. You can even see the Tamax road right there. A lot of so many things. Get to learn more about Aweil town, guys, through South Sudan Pride. South Sudan Pride is going to bring a lot of videos from different towns in South Sudan, so you will know a lot of towns in video through videos uploaded by South Sudan Pride. Kindly watch the space always, as this channel will bring more videos to you every time, every week, every month. If there are anything or if there is anything you want this channel to go and capture for you to watch it here in South Sudan, mainly in Aweil, Wow, Warab, Tonyarwea, recommend it in comment sections. I will go and take a nice video of that. I'll send it to you. But this is mango, guys. It is mango season has started now. mango season has started. Zaman pra manga chi jok mountain. Manga bine yoka chiluok. Unai pen wanten. Ken ben yala yais. So it is the starting of mango seasons. A lot of mangoes has produced enough fruits. Comes April, you will get a lot of things, guys. So anything you want me to go and take a video of, recommend it in comment sections. I'll go and take a video of it, and definitely I will bring it here for you guys to see it. So Aweil town is a very quiet town, very good town, and people are so friendly. For some of you guys who have not got the chance to visit Aweil town, you need to come and see the vibes here, guys. Another forest in town. They have cut a lot of trees. They bring them to the towns for locals house constructions. So it is too common here, man. Aweil market, you can construct your local building using this material, this local available building material. They are very cheap. They are very, very cheap, guys. This tall one is for 1,200, and there is other one for 1,000, and there is other one. This mats, bamboo mats, is 5,000. So kawa yalu bunus, kawdet bode na yalu, jala sharkaniya gan yalu, sharkaniya chalo ilaw yakam salap, Can see it.
So
that is where they sell it, guys. Can take a guy with it, and you can see how nice it is, guys.
Alu miten kai tana gura pengen ya alif shoga ya alif shoga خلاص kana alu miten gan kana na alif shoga daga daga ya daga na ya kamsa alu ma okay ti mo bar dia das bal ara ye pengen di tom bi okay I think dan man tayi okay to ga ya alif fenda to شن مشلا شكرا
Now we go to